WAL-BOARD Tool's Folding Radial Sander is the only tool that can sand both walls and corner joints. This sander eliminates the need for additional tools and extra sanding pads on the job site. After sanding the walls, it's easy to change to sanding corners. First, remove the sanding disc and crease it down the center. Next, notice the arrows and move the red clips in line with the center crease of the sanding head. Place your sandpaper on the head, and now you're ready to sand your corners. For best results, use a pole half the size of the wall for easiest sanding in corners. The Folding Radial Sander has a foam padded face to help contour and apply even pressure to the corners. The sander also folds up to 85 degrees for corners that aren't exactly square. The Folding Radial Sander has standardized threads to mount to most extension poles. The 9-inch sanding head works with standard hook and loop sanding discs. The U-joint attachment swivels for even sanding in all directions. Get the whole job done, including the corners, with the Folding Radial Sander by WAL-BOARD Tools.